Got a really cool low mileage, one owner 2005 SSR here for you today. This is the LS2, 390 horsepower, 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is in excellent condition. This is a one owner car. We bought it from the original owner. Still has the original tires on it. It is in very, very good shape. I'm gonna show you all around it. Fire it up here for you. Beautiful yellow colored black leather interior. See the wheels here in excellent condition. This is a power retractable hardtop. You get the best of both worlds. You get a hardtop when you want it, convertible when you don't. Super, super clean, well detailed interior. Check out these seats. It's in excellent condition. Really, really comfortable cab here. So this has just over 12,000 original miles. Chevrolet SSR. There you go, 12,457 original miles. You got some really cool gauges down here. You have a battery, you have a torque gauge, which as you're driving will show different torque ratings. And then there's your outside temperature gauge, which is pretty cool too, showing a nice 80 degrees. Air conditioning and heat controls here. And then obviously you got your 6-speed manual transmission. You got your window controls here. Windows work great. This is your electric top, which I'll show you that it does work. Top is open. Got your radio here. This GM radio is in excellent shape. Those of you that know these buttons always get all smudged over the years. This one is just in excellent condition. Very nice Bose sound system. Just an amazing vehicle we have here in just such good shape. Show you under the hood. Take a look at it with the top off. Just super, super slick. All right, there you have it. There's your LS2 V8 engine, 390 horsepower. This car has the original window sticker with it, as well as maintenance records over the 12,000 miles. The original owner drove it. This thing is running and driving like it is brand new, folks. The front end is in excellent shape. There's hardly anything for nicks at all. I mean, it's just perfect. There is a smudge here on this side. Someone might have rubbed into it at one point in time. Right down there. That's about one of the only imperfections I can find on the car. Onto the passenger side. Beautiful dash. Gotta love the body colored console that goes into the waterfall-ish vibe there between the seats. I would call it a waterfall. You got your windbreaker there. The vehicle has 2 keys with it. I'll show you all the wheels and tires here. I know there's a button in here somewhere that will open the bed, but there is also one on the key. I just used that one. Very nice tidy bed here. It's got a custom fit car cover that goes with it, as well as these are extra. These are oak strips. So the yellow you're seeing here, these are replace it with an oak color, which is pretty cool, kind of like an old hot rod. So super clean trunk bed area. All right, if you're interested in this car, please scroll down to the description. There's a link that'll take you directly to our website. There you'll find 60+ high-resolution pictures, and you'll also find pictures of the undercarriage so you can see how clean it is under there, just like you'd expect for a 12,000-mile car. If you have any more questions, you'd like to make us an offer, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks, guys.